How to save jobs in Totaljobs. So hey guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to save jobs in Totaljobs. To save a job here in Totaljobs, for example, we're gonna go to find jobs. Let's say you're just scrolling around, la di da di da di da da da, you see service engineer and you read it. You're gonna read it, like for example right here. You're gonna read the description and whatnot right there. So here, there you go, basic salary, there you go, so on and so forth. Though now we're gonna thinking, how do I save this, because I don't want it but I might need it in the future. All we need to do is click on the heart right there on the right side. There's a heart icon right there. Press click on the heart and there you go. As you can see right there, there's a heart icon right there, and there you go. As you can see right now, you it's now been saved, and you can unheart it even if you're out of the uh, it itself. As you see right there, just click on unheart right there. There you go. You can heart it to favorite it. So there you guys, that's how you do it. And if you want to see all your saved jobs, click on my jobs, and here, as you see here, are all the saved jobs, applications, and here are the jobs that you viewed. There you go, as you see right there. So yeah, there you guys, that's how you do it. And and if you want to watch more about Totaljobs, you can watch it here on Guide Glimpse much more. And guys, I suggest clicking our link down below. It won't take you it won't take that much of your time. It will only take uh 1 to 2 minutes of signing up, and then it won't cost you a dime. It will help the channel out. But yeah, there you guys, that's how you do it. That's how you do the save jobs in Totaljobs right here. So there, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions or concerns, you can always type it down comment below, guys, and I will be happy to answer you as soon as possible in here on Guide Games. Thank you guys, and see you in the next one, and thank you guys.